This 2018 Heartland Road Warrior M-413 is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Boerne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors, 2 full baths. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.